In a minute, you'll learn how to use the Microclimates.com support forum. Let's get started. The support forum is available 24/7 and the best place to log in any customer-related or technical issues. Log into Microclimates.com using your user ID and password. Click on Support and from Support choose Support Forum. To create a new topic, click on the New Topic button. Add a title for the topic. Include a description of your issue, including images, or add files as needed. Click Create a Topic, and your topic has now been created. Now you can bookmark, share, flag, or reply to your topic. Let us know if you have any questions, and thanks so much for watching.